How many winners do you get? 3?
Get it, G! Oh!
You gotta hit one more turn. Everybody gets 3 whacks.
Good job. Alright.
Maya, don't hit so hard. I'm gonna hit hard. Yeah, that's
What's up with the... Hey, put your boots on right.
I need a bullet on my line.
Good job, baby. Get it hard. Get it hard. Get it again. One more time. All right.
Trace, check that. Back up.
Sweet.
See the line here? Everybody see that line?
I think Allie Harmonica's gonna use that.
Good hit. Was that 3? That's 3. Can't really shot much with this. Good job.
Oh! Oh!
Got a hole in it.
Here, I'll just give it to
Stay back behind
I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use it. I get one more hit. We never missed one time. Allie. That was 3.
Maya.
She's a hole. Oh, she's a 4. I did 4. Oh, wait. I need to go. Now, I need to get my back.
Yeah, I'll get you back.
No, that.
Whoa! Marissa. Whoa! Good job.
I was 1.
Okay.
Nice swing. Oh.
Thanks. Good hit.
Good job, Annika.
Wait, not yet, guys. No rushing in until we say go, even if you see candy fall. Switch to sweet. Home run!
Oh, yeah.
Not yet. We got at least 2 more swingers.
Oh, I need that.
Who's up? Wait, don't swing until he gets back. Owen, move.
Room up there. Oh, no, the had moved. Oh, no, moved. Sorry. Whoa. That's a crazy one.
Whoa.
Okay.
Cool. Alright, I got pretty hard.
You sure did.
Be careful with the first one. No, it's like, what if you actually...
Alright, Owen.
Yes, I finally got it.
Hard! Get it! Oh! Oh, get it! Oh, yes! Kill it!
You killed it, man! You killed it! You killed it, man! It's done!
Pull it out, pull it out.
Hurrah!
Wait, hit it hard.
Back up.
Okay, wait, okay.
Alexander, back up. Thank you.
Tyson. Let's go show everybody how it's done.
Go get some candy, buddy.
I'll explode!